One cool thing is that this thing also has the option for power liftgate, which is really nice. But let's swing around and see what's going on in the trunk area. All right, so cargo dimensions for the Outlander are showing up. So as you can see there, for just the cargo area by itself, not a ton of space, but we've also got the option of easily folding down the third row. But in order to truly fold it down, we actually have to fully remove the headrests. So easily remove left, right side. One cool thing is that we could just technically store these things right underneath the back, which is kind of nice. Now, in order to be able to fold these seats down, it's straightforward. So we've got a little tab along the back. So we're just going to pull and drop down. And as you can see there, fairly flat fold, which is kind of cool. But I mean, really, really straightforward. With that third row folded down, we can open up even more space as necessary. And then one really cool thing is that we can easily fold down the second row from the back here as well. So along both sides, the driver passenger, we've got a little release. We can pull that. In order to fold that down, just have the driver's seat forward a little bit too much. So let's adjust this out. There we go. But take a peek and see how much of a difference this makes when we've got the second row and the third row folded down. So still a really nice amount of space there, which is great. And then we've got two different benches. So for the rear, we've got a 50-50 split versus in the middle, we're technically a 40-20-40 split. So we do have a little thing in the release in the middle there. And we can fold it down just that teeny little bit. So if we need to transport lumber and things like that, we would have that flexibility, which is nice. Easily popping that back up again. But one thing to point out is that when these seats are down, so release from the back here again, so we drop down, it actually locks the seat down into place. So we can't lift it back up again until we pull the tab along the bottom. So we pull, lift, and we're back up, and it's that simple to do it.